Sydney and I am 18 years old. I graduated from Let's Play Music when I was 7 years old. It was 2001 and I was the first graduating class. I think that Let's Play Music helps me the most in chord progressions and just developing my tonal center. I think that it's a lot easier for me to find pitches because I was trained to know that do is home. And then as far as chord progressions go, it's very easy for me to learn like pop songs just because of my knowledge of chord progressions, and it also makes it easier to transpose. I'm currently taking private piano lessons with Dr. Spallman, and I practice a lot for that, and I also developed my own private piano studio, and I teach children private lessons as well.